Okay, cool.
Next, we are going to take our larger diameter output tubing, thread it through the hole. There is no need for any excess line here on the inside. We do want to make sure that we have enough tubing so that it can enter the methadone bottle and be held down with the methadone bottle to be able to recoup as much methadone with the use of gravity. So I'm going to cut this tubing right about here. I then need to connect this tubing, the larger diameter tubing, to a smaller piece of tubing. The smaller piece of tubing will have a weight that's placed on it that will be long enough to sit at the bottom of the methadone bottle. The connector piece will easily be inserted into the larger tubing where it meets the end. However, the smaller diameter tubing, as well as the weight, we will have a difficult time placing the tubing over both of them. Therefore, we need to fill a container with hot water, place the tubing inside of the hot water to loosen the rubber up in order to allow for us to push the tubing all the way down to the base of the weight. The same thing on the other side of the tubing. We will then need to put it into hot water to loosen up the rubber so it allows for us to push the rubber all the way to the base of the connector piece. Once it's connected with it at the base of the connector piece as well as the base of the weight, we now have a functioning piece of tubing that can be used to be placed into our methadone bottle, as well as enough length to be able to allow for gravity to recoup all the methadone possible in the line.